Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Thakur. Welcome to my YouTube channel Shivan's Tech guys. I hope you all are doing well practicing your AutoCAD learning sessions. Guys, today we are going to understand the concept of unit, how we can check or we can understand in which unit we are working on, how we can change the unit. So alright guys, for that let's take a new file here. I just clicked here, the file is open. Now for checking the unit or for working on unit command, we can use our short key U N and then space. As we have entered U and then space, our pop-up window will open something like this. Here we can change the dimensional video of length. There are 5 options. Number first one are architectural units. When the architectural used for the construction works, and decimal units, basically we use decimals when we work in the mechanical engineering field or when we work in the fabrication line. There are some engineering like this. They are fractional and there are one more scientific. So let's get this is for the straight linear dimensions. For this is for angular dimensions. We have also selected decimals here like this. Here are some interaction scales in which scale you wanna work. Let's suppose here it is selected as inches, because most of the time when we work in a construction, so inches is used that time. When we are working in a decimal, so most of the time we use millimeters, or we can use meters. So I have selected meter here and then press OK. So alright guys, this is the way how we can adjust our units, how we can check in which unit we are working. Now we are working in decimal and we are working with units. So alright guys, let's draw a line here, something like this. We can see this is a dimension of 12.12 and this is the dimension of not inches. Alright guys, I hope you understand. Let's draw a circle here. I have drawn a circle. So given if I have already selected in the units, so when we will check here, so this is the circle of 3 mm is the radius of this circle. Alright guys, I hope you understand. Let's select a one more way to work on units. We can go here in the AutoCAD sign. We need to click here. We need to come here on drawing utilities. As I just click here on drawing utilities, we need to go here on units. Alright guys, as I come here, the same pop-up window would open again, and we have selected here, millimeters last time. So if you wanna change, so you can, and if you wanna work on the millimeters, so you can continue with this. Here is the one more option of precision. We can enter the precision, we can handle precision value according to our requirement, as if we can change here. So alright guys, we can press then OK. Our automatical dimension is OK. I hope you understand how we can change or we can check in which units we are working. And if you like the video, please like and share the video and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for clicking.